What's going on, my friends? Welcome to the video. So I'm here at a house in my town where I live. I'm going to deep clean it today, and I thought I would take y'all along for the ride. Let's have some fun. So as you can see, she puts a lot of her hair gels and lotions on this piece of glass with her hairsprays and stuff. And as you can see, it's gotten quite dirty. Look at that. Let's clean it up real nice for her. fun this is gonna be. We got all kinds of gunk to remove down here. Look at that. This is where the toothbrush and the toothpaste is held. Let's remove it.
Love should be easy, why should it not? When all you want is to be loved, is to be loved.
Anyone need some hair?
You taught me that. I let you in, now you want out, now you want out. I don't understand why you hurt me. I don't understand why you wanna let me down. Can't understand. Was it all worth it? You played me good just for a rush, just for a rush. So now I wrote a song about us with tears running down my face. Now I wrote a song about us, just trying to fill that empty space you left behind. You left behind, you left behind, you left behind. You left behind, you left behind. Can someone help me to find love again? 'Cause all I want is to be loved, is to be loved. Can someone free me from all my doubts? Feels like a prison, I want out, now I want out. I don't understand why you hurt me. I don't understand why you wanna let me down. Can't understand. Was it all worth it? You played me good just for a rush, just for a rush. So now I wrote a song about us with tears running down my face. Now I wrote a song about us, just trying to fill that empty space you left behind. You left behind, you left behind, you left behind. You left behind, you left behind. So now I wrote a song about us with tears running down my face. Now
Next thing I want to do is go around and vacuum up all the animal hair. So we got 2 golden retrievers that live here, and then several golden retriever visitors, friends of the family that stop by a lot, and they get hair everywhere. And so rather than try to sweep or try to dust first and just send the hair all back up into the air, we're gonna vacuum it all up. Handy thing to have with us is a little brush attachment that we can pop right here, and we can just vacuum the top of dressers, you know, the top of countertops and stuff if there's a lot of animal hair, rather than try to dust in it. So let's do it. Here's an example of why I say to carry around your brush attachment. Just detach your wand, stick your brush attachment on, and vacuum all this hair that's on this furniture. check out all the dust, guys. We're gonna vacuum all this stuff. This is dust, this is dog hair. Look, it's all on the baseboards and everything. Let's clean this up. We even got a broken piece of glass up in there.